In the heart of Accra, Ghana, where bold tradition meets fearless creativity, I had the incredible opportunity to bring my global brand to the next generation of fashion entrepreneurs. This is Fashion Beyond Borders, exploring the global fashion industry, a dynamic, hands-on workshop built to inspire, challenge, and equip emerging designers with the tools they need to not only thrive locally but globally. We kick things off with a simple but powerful question. What's your career goal after graduation? And suddenly, the room came alive. Voices filled with passion. Dreams of runway shows, fashion houses, retail empires, and community empowerment. But ambition alone isn't enough. So I asked a second question. How prepared are you right now to enter the exciting world of entrepreneurship? That's when the real work began. Using my latest publication, Threads of an Imagination, we dove deep into creativity, strategy, and innovation. The students were guided through business building activities that tested not only their ideas, but their readiness. They chose business partners from among their classmates. They created brands that could compete not only with each other, but with an international fashion market.
My name is Anita Amponsa, and I'm a student at Charthess School of Fashion. And today I had the opportunity to meet Miss Shani Grant, and she was taking us through things about fashion and what we should know as students. Today, my experience with her was the fact that I have to know my market niche. That's to knowing the people I want to market for, the weather, that is the seasons I want to design for, and I also got to understand the kind of fabrics that I want to use to design, just in case I want to choose a particular season. I also got to know my mode of selling to customers, whether I'm going to do business to business or business to consumers and any other. And she also made me understand that I have to be a good business person in the fashion industry. I also have to know if I'm going to do in large scale or just a retailer, or just going to be sewing and then selling to other people as well. She also made me understand that I have to know how much I'm going to price and what's involved in the pricing as well. So basically it was a good experience for me today, so I'm glad she came.
Hi people, my name is Ivy Kunido Ajaman, a very proud student of Charthess School of Fashion, and today I had the opportunity to meet Miss Grant, the CEO of Fashion Beyond Borders. It was exciting. I got to learn lots of things. I got to learn how to manage. I actually got a free sketchbook, and that was so amazing.
Through teamwork, strategy, and competition, they didn't just dream, they executed. And by the end of the workshop, every student walked away with something powerful, a mini business plan that could launch not years from now, but today, while still in school, while building a future. I'm Shani Grant, and this is Fashion Beyond Borders, exploring the global fashion industry, where the runway begins in the classroom and the world is your stage. Fashion Beyond Borders isn't just a workshop, it's a philanthropy project, a movement designed to empower creative minds and spark economic development across the globe. And at Charthess School of Fashion, these brilliant students reminded me that the future of fashion isn't just about fabric and trends. It's about vision, leadership, and the power of ideas that dare to go beyond borders.